Historical District location: Turnerville Subdivision, Plaquemine, Louisiana. This home maintenance-free vinyl siding. Front porch with metal awning, original 6-pane windows with shutters, storm door, screened back porch, fenced backyard and off-street parking. Beadboard ceiling and entryway. Hardwood floors in good condition. Ceramic floors in kitchen, laundry room and both baths. Ceramic tub surround. Granite tile countertops and subway tile backsplash in kitchen, full laundry with storage cabinets. Updated light fixtures throughout. Pocket doors,